Today we're going to be making a simple HTML website. So how we're going to start by doing that is declaring that this is an HTML document. You can run this in Notepad or any other app, including online compilers, but I'm running it in an online compiler. You don't have to, but I am. So what I'm going to start by doing is by writing the exclamation mark and writing doc type HTML. That declares that this is an HTML document. So now we're going to start by writing HTML. Then we're going to write the body tag. This is the main body of the element. Then we're going to close up the body tag. And then we're going to close up the HTML tag. So next we are going to add an H1 element, which is going to say the words below. This is going to be our heading. As you can see there, it showed up as a big giant writing. So now we're going to write the P element, which is going to say, hi there, how is your day going? And then now we have that. Okay, so imagine you want to add the name. So like here you want to add a name, so like this one, as it has online HTML editor. So how we do that is by adding a head tag and then closing up the head tag. And then inside the head tag, I want you to add a title element. And then inside the title element, I want you to add the name Meet a Friend. Because we all like friends, don't we? If you don't, that's fine. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there you go. And it now says Meet a Friend. So this is a simple HTML website, and now I want to add some color and pizzazz to it. So how we do that is by adding a style element. This is the part of the body that's going to have your cascading style sheets or CSS. So how you're going to do that is, so I want to style the whole body for now. So we're going to write body and then this parentheses, and we're going to write the background color. Let's say we want it lime. So that there now they wrote the background color. And so we have to add a semicolon. Otherwise, when I would write that, let's write color white, it wouldn't work. So we need a semicolon and then it would work. So, and at the end, I'm done styling this. We have to add one of those. So now if you want to style like just a H1, all the H1 tags in the body, but we only have one for now. So we're going to write down H1 and then we're going to write the background color as yellow. So yellow is going to be our background color. And yeah. So there you have it. This is the easy, simple HTML website. I am going to be adding more complex websites to my channel, but this is the simple one that I thought I would start with. Thanks for watching. If you have any other ideas you want me to make websites about, go ahead and write them in the comments below. Bye. See you next time.